Ever traveled or moved to a new country and found your Adobe Creative Cloud isn't quite the same? Today, we're diving into how to adjust your region settings within Adobe Creative Cloud, unlocking access to localized content and pricing, which is super handy if you've relocated or travel often. First things first, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application on your computer. It's the hub for all your Adobe programs. Once the app is open and you are logged in, look to the top right corner of the window. There you should see your profile icon. Most likely your initial or a profile picture. Click on that profile icon. This will open up a drop-down menu. In this menu, click on Account. This action will open a new window, your default web browser. This opens your Adobe account page in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, you'll likely need to log in using your Adobe account credentials. Here you will find the Account Information or Profile section, which will show your current profile information. Now, carefully examine the details displayed within your account profile. Depending on the layout of your Adobe account page, you should be able to locate options to edit profile or billing information. Click on whichever option says Edit on your account settings. You will be shown your profile information with the current country region displayed. You should be able to change to the country region you need by using the drop-down menu, and after your selection, save the details. Great work! You have now changed your Adobe Creative Cloud user's region. Keep in mind that changes to your payment options related to currency or price might occur in accordance of your updated billing or country information when saving the newly entered data in your account profile. And that's how you update your region settings. Now you can enjoy localized content and manage your account. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Creative Cloud tips and tricks.